it's the Statue of Liberty. Take this off. Go off. But just do this. Keep doing this. Keep doing this.
Some more flour.
Keep doing this. Keep doing this.
Okay, who can tell me why Jesus is like the bread of life?
Because he split the bread and
Yes!
made it into a million pieces.
Our bodies need bread,
To stay alive.
and our spirits need
God to
need
stay
Jesus.
alive.
Okay, Isaac, your turn. Get your
But
flour.
Mommy's still taking a video.
Okay, we're almost to the.
Okay, I'm ready.
That's enough needing point.
I'm ready.
Good job, Abby. All right, let's see how Isaac does.
I'm gonna hurry.
That looks good. Here's some more flour. Here's more flour. More flour.